नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त निखिल और आ गया हूं लेके एक और नई वीडियो। जैसा कि आपने हमारे टाइटल और थंबनेल में देखा है, ये होने वाली है अबाउट द ऑल न्यू BYD सी लाइन 7। आपको अगर नहीं पता हो, दिस कार इज केपेबल, दिस इलेक्ट्रिक एसयूवी इज केपेबल ऑफ गोइंग फ्रॉम 0 to 100 इन जस्ट 4.5 सेकेंड्स। कहां आए हुए हैं, कौन सा मॉडल है, कब ले सकते हो, क्या फीचर्स है, क्या स्पेक्स है, ये सब अगर दिमाग में चल रहा है, देन लेट मी प्रॉमिस यू वन थिंग, I'm gonna cover this walk around in so much detail that आपको और कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। ऐसी ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन दूंगा कि अगर आप एक गाड़ी लेने की सोच रहे हो तो ये वीडियो आपको डेफिनेटली हेल्पफुल हो जाएगी। रिक्वेस्ट इतनी है कि वीडियो के एंड तक प्लीज बने रहना। पसंद आएगी तो उसे एक लाइक जरूर से करना। चैनल में नए हैं, अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, देन हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन, बेल नोटिफिकेशन फॉर ऑल आवर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स। एंड विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड, लेट्स गेट गोइंग। सो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने के पहले आपको एक क्विक इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन दे देता हूं गाइस। एज आई मेंशन्ड, आई एम गोना मेक दिस वीडियो इन सो मच डिटेल कि हो सकता है कि वीडियो की लेंथ जो है वो लंबी हो जाए। रिक्वेस्ट आपसे यही रहेगी कि आप इस वीडियो को 1.5x या फिर 1.7x में देख लेना। यही सेटिंग्स में वो ऑप्शन आपको मिल जाएगा। प्लस for your convenience, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you chapters, because I'm going to segregate this video into design, exteriors, interiors, performance, battery, and etc. etc. So for your convenience, I'm going to give you the chapters, of which the link will be there, not exactly link, but the chapters will be there in description. All you need to do, if you want a specific part of the car, you just need to click on the timeline और आप वहां से वीडियो को देख सकते हो। रिक्वेस्ट ये होगी कि वीडियो को पूरा देखोगे तो इन्फॉर्मेशन पूरी मिल जाएगी, और वीडियो को सेव कर लेना, बाद में यूज आ जाएगी ये वीडियो आपको। चलो, ये हो गया बहुत कुछ। अब वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले आपको बताते हैं कि इसका डिजाइन मुझे कैसा लग रहा है और डिजाइन में आपको क्या मिलता है। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ द की। सो यहां पर हमें लॉक अनलॉक, टेल गेट ओपनिंग एंड इलेक्ट्रिकली कार स्टार्ट करने का ऑप्शन मिल जाता है। इसके साथ साथ एक NFC कार्ड भी हमें मिलता है जो कीलेस आप उसको यूज कर सकते हो। वो कार्ड आप यहां पे सिंपली अपने NFC वाले ORVM पे टैप करोगे, ये गाड़ी खुल जाएगी और आप कार के अंदर जाके उस कार्ड के थ्रू ही अपने कार को ड्राइव कर सकते हो। लेट्स मूव ऑन विद द फ्रंट प्रोफाइल। यहां पर हमें ये ब्यूटीफुल सी DRLs और ये LED हेडलैम्प्स जो हैं वो देखने मिल जा रहे हैं। नाउ द गुड थिंग अबाउट दीज हेडलैम्प्स आर, these are intuitive, these are adaptive, just like your matrix headlight, not exactly but like them, wherein it will project cars coming in front and it will either dim it, lower it or change it according to the comfort. Safety point of view से I give it a big thumbs up. Plus you get a BYD badging over here which is in chrome, looks very good. Just talking about the design pattern guys, one thing I've always been a huge fan of BYD design is the minimalistic cuts and creases that they provide in their car. Really makes this car look very elegant, very classy, something that will age very gracefully. But anyways, moving on with the design, you get the Aero Twin wipers over here. You do get BYD design ka badging on your right fender and left fender on both sides. Talking about the tire profile, so this is your top model. Basically you just get two models, premium and performance. This is your performance, which is an all-wheel drive, for which you get a Michelin ka 245 R20 profile ke alloy wheels with brake calipers colored in red. I hope it is visible on your screen. You do get ventilated disc brake on all four wheels and brake calipers red on all four wheels, only and only for the performance variant. For the premium variant, you will not get Michelin tire, you'll get Continental, and the brake calipers will not be colored in red. Moving on with the dimensions, it's there on your screen. Almost 2800, 2900 mm की length, almost 180 mm का ground clearance. They are saying कि 190 and 180 के बीच है, but safely saying 180 unladen. One important piece of information, guys. Now, when talking about the ground clearance, I said this is 180 mm का ground clearance. One might say कि बैटरी पैक तो चैचिस के ऊपर होगी, so the battery pack is not above the chassis, बल्कि the battery pack is been integrated into the chassis, which really helps in the space management. Because अगर आप देखोगे तो जनरली बाकी कार्स में क्या होता है, when you sit, your floor, your bed is a little elevated. Not in this one, because it is on a 3.0 platform. इनका एक E platform होता है. There's something called an E platform 3.0, wherein the blade battery technology is integrated in the chassis itself, which helps them manage the space much more efficiently. They call it the cell to body tech. If you heard this in any other video, do let me know in the comment section if any other video has covered this point for you. This is very important. So guys, just to show you the ground clearance, as I said, it is approximately between 180 to 190. But some might say कि भैया वो तो खाली गाड़ी में है. So हमारे संगे करनी BYD की टीम, you can say hello. Once again, Karni BYD is the place. If you want to buy this car in Kolkata or any other BYD, they are the people, and he is my friend Deep. They will be my friend very soon. But चलो आओ दिखाते हैं लोगों को क्या लैडिंग अनलैडिंग है. सो मेरा कैमरा जो होगा वो यहां पे फिक्स्ड है, ठीक है. 3 जने पीछे बैठने वाले हैं. I don't know how much of it is visible. I can hardly see any difference. And just to show you, these 3 gentlemen are sitting in this car. Now let's understand how much comfort are they facing. So gentlemen, how's the comfort?
Extremely good.
3 adults are sitting और तीनों ही हट्टे कट्टे हैं. हेडरूम दिखा पाइएगा?
Ambient. I am 5'7", तो मेरे लिए तो ठीक है. He's
What about the knee room? Show the knee.
lot of legs.
So there you go. That was the fact that this car is practical for Indian roads. ऐसा कि नहीं कि इन्होंने leg room या फिर knee room या फिर space management या तो ground clearance में कुछ भी compromise किया है. Like this part, hit the like button. At the same time, if you can see, your rear glass window is tinted because it doesn't really get a sunshade in this car. They have tinted the rear door windows so that you can have the privacy, and at the same time it also helps you from the sunlight. Now some might say in some of the states in India there might be a problem. Well, if it is OEM, I don't think there will be any problem, but if it is a filming that you do, that can be a problem. Still check with your local authorities to validate that information. Moving on, body colored ORVMs with turn indicators integrated. You do get a 360 camera जिसका setup यहाँ पर है. Talking about the 360 camera, guys, we'll be talking about the safety feature of the car right after the design, but you do get the ADAS ka radar over here, and you get approximately 5 radars in this car, 5 cameras. So safety point of view say, and comfort and convenience point of view say, this car is fully loaded. Body cladding goes all the way in the car, and once again, guys, the wheelbase is 2900, approximately 2900 mm. That gives massive space inside the cabin. जब अंदर जाएंगे तब आपको दिखाएंगे. And you also get a पूरा का पूरा glass roof which does not open, which I think is the best option. I personally do not like when I see people and kids coming out of the windshield. It's not really good, guys. Please don't do that. That's my request. And please do not drink and drive. Be responsible and enjoy your drive. Take care of yourself and family. Do not drink and drive. Moving on with the rear profile, guys, you get a connected tail lamp over here. And if you see, this is a design which is a part of your Ocean X series. Basically, Sea Line 7, the BYD Seal, the Seagull, these are all part of your Ocean X series. If you have a look at the tail lamps over here, you see these droplets. This indicates the ocean. So that's what the theme they are trying to show. You do get a BYD badging over here, an EV all-wheel drive badging over here, and a BYD Sea Lion 7, and the 4.5 seconds ki badging over here, which is claiming they are roaring that boss as an SUV, electric SUV. This car has crazy performance. We will talk about the performance towards the end of the video. What battery, how much battery, what is the charging capacity, सब कुछ, and more information will come towards the later part of the video. So video में please बने रहिएगा. और अभी तक अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं, अगर अभी तक वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है तो लाइक करने से मत शाया करो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल नोटिफिकेशन दबाओ, सो दैट की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको फ्यूचर की टाइम टू टाइम मिल जाए. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू दैट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट्स द प्राइस ऑफ दिस कार? So the BYD Sea Line 7 comes in 2 trims. One is your premium, the other one is your performance, the one that we are currently doing the walkthrough of, right? So the premium has been priced very competitively at around 48.9 lakh, and just with 6 lakh more, you get an amazing all-wheel drive option of performance at 54.9 lakhs ex-showroom. Now understand one thing, all-wheel drive is capable of giving you 523 bhp of power with a 690 newton meter of torque. If you want to buy this car, let me tell you, Karni BYD is the place where we are currently reviewing this car in Kolkata. So if you're planning to buy this, what I suggest is do come to the showroom, just see, look at this car, meet Deep or Shomojit, my friends over here, who would be more than happy to welcome you. And of course, if you're a subscriber, just let them know that you're a subscriber. And also, most importantly, guys, if you are planning to buy this EV or any EV or any car for that matter, and if you're confused of which one to buy for, because there are so many competitors out there, that is confusing us, and it's only going to get tougher from here. Well, I do provide consultation services. All you need to do is check out the description. There is a link of my website. वहां पे जाइए. Do check out the services that I provide. There are some reviews that some of my valued clients have left for me. I'll be more than happy to discuss your option, understand your needs and requirements, and basis which suggest the best possible EV for you. So do check out the website and do give me an opportunity to help you if you are looking for one. And of course, do join our Pan India EV group on Telegram. We are 1700 plus members strong. We'd be more than happy to have you onboarded as well to make the community stronger. On that note, price is clear, marketing is clear. Let's move on to the interiors of the car. Now guys, before we move on to the interiors, let me tell you, interiors ke segment ko we'll divide into three. First is the boot, then in the back seat, and then the front seat. Okay. First things first, just to show you, this one is an electric tailgate which comes with a gesture feature. As you can see that we are able to open it swiftly, and it also has a pinch feature. But let's just first have a look at the boot space. So 500 liter of boot space over here. You do get boot lamps over here, some space over here. And the best part about this is, यहाँ पर अगर आप चाहो तो इसको ये स्पेस को भी यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो. एंड यू बाय द वे यू आल्सो गेट अ 58 लीटर्स का फ्रंक, बिकॉज दिस इज एन ऑल व्हील ड्राइव एंड द permanent motor of this car is in the rear, powering the rear wheels itself. So the frunk is free for you to, you know, put other stuff that you want to hide from others. But then again, see, if you just, this is a fun thing. So if you want, you can place it in such a way कि ये पूरा का पूरा flat bed हो जाएगा और आपको ज्यादा झुकने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. So I find it very, very well managed. The space management over here has been done very well. Now, let me first show you the pinch feature. जान खतरे में, oh, कुछ feel नहीं हुआ, जरा सा भी feel नहीं हुआ. Let's do it once again. This time, sir. Nothing at all. जान खतरे में आपके लिए लाइक करो, कमेंट करो, सब्सक्राइब करो गाइज. आप जब सब्सक्राइब करते हो, जब कमेंट करते हो, बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलती है. And I really feel like getting more and more videos out for you because I feel valued that you value me more. ध्यान नहीं, but अब इसको बंद करते हैं. Now remember, I was telling you that the space management of this car is very good. We're gonna get into the rear seat. काफी भारी डोर था by the way. We're gonna get into the rear seat and let me just show you, first of all, how easy it is to get inside the car. It was that easy, right? And most importantly, now if you have a look at this, see this thigh support is decent, not bad at all, but I would say it's good, but it is decent. Problem क्या हो रहा है? Remember what I told you, the cell to body ratio or the body to cell technology. What they have done is they have managed something called 8-in-1 power trim. Basically, in their rear seat, not the rear seat, but in the rear section of the car, they have integrated everything into one place. For example, your electrical control unit, your motor control unit, your power control unit, your DC to DC connector, your motor, and your onboard chargers. And for example, all those 8 elements, they have compacted it and they have put it in the rear. उसके वजह से क्या हुआ है कि उनके जो ई प्लेटफॉर्म 3.0 में उन्होंने बैटरी को इंटीग्रेट कर दिया, जिसके वजह से what has happened here is the platform is not elevated. Like if you have seen in the Curve, if you have seen in B6, what has happened is the platform is elevated. तो generally आप देखते हो कि पाँव का position जो होता है वो कुछ इस तरह से elevated होता है. Not in this one. This is a flat bed over here, and all thanks to the space management design and the tech that they have used. Let me know, where else did you get this information, or is it the first time you're getting to know about this? And if you like it, hit the like button. Don't shy away. Okay. Let's move on with the space management of the rear seat. So you get decent knee room. What decent, man? It's fantastic. Amazing leg room. Look at my feet. They're getting tucked in also very nicely. पूरा का पूरा flat bed यहाँ पे हमें मिल जा रहा है. Talking about the seat comfort, the seat cushioning is brilliant. I mean, come on. First of all, understand this is a 55 lakh rupees approximately car, right? And on road aate aate it will come around 58 lakh rupees depending on which city and the insurance that you take. But they have given luxury in this car. I mean, just have a look at this. Just have a look at the dashboard. Just have a look at the center console. These are Napa leather. Okay. The leather that they use for Mercedes, the leather that they use for Rolls Royce, they have used premium product for you guys, right? Just look at the stitching over here. This is really, really good. It's perforated. Cushioning is good. 3 adults can sit aram se. It gets 3 adjustable seat headrests over here. It does get a middle armrest with cup holders and some more spacing to keep some stuff over here also. Now that is good. It gets some grab handle over here, some light over here. Also on this side, let me just show you. AC vents have been positioned here, which is again normal. No charging points over here. I am just trying to find out if they've given any charging point or something. Look at me. So this is where BYD keeps surprising me, guys. Just have a look at this. So you see, they have given one lightning. Both are lightning. One is A and one is C type. So you do get this. But how nicely. Generally क्या होता है यहीं पर ही रहता है. But all you need to do is this and this comes out. Really, really good. Once again, I personally love the rear seat comfort. What do you think? Have you seen this car? Have you really gone to the showroom? Auto Expo में we had done a quick walk around of this car. अगर नहीं देखे हैं तो iLink पे जाकर जरूर से देखिएगा. So did you also check out this car? What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section. And who do you think are the closest competitor of this car? I'm going to talk about the competition towards the end because obviously this car has been placed in a segment जहां पर भर के competition है. We'll talk about it. But फिलहाल let's go to the driver's seat जिसका हमें इंतजार था. Now moving on to the front. Now moving on to the front seat, the driver's seat. उसके पहले मैं आपको बता दूं because I missed out about the flush door handles. So you do get the flush door handles, the request sensor both on the driver as well as on your co-driver side. And this really, really looks good with the BYD badging over here. You get a 12-way electrically adjustable driver seat and a 6-way adjustable co-driver seat. Now that is really, really good. Now let's just talk a little bit about the design. First of all, from the Ocean X series, they have bought this car. But just look at this. You have soft touch everywhere. And the Napa leather, as we spoke about. The Napa leather has been used everywhere. Besides just this satin, this satin type metal finish, what do you call it? I don't know. And just look at this. The door handles on all 4 doors. They call it the hidden door handle. So one doesn't really know where the door handle is. It's right there. Amazing quality. And of course, you get the ambient lighting that runs throughout the car. If you can see, looks very, very, very premium. ORVM controls over here, lock, unlock, child lock, and all 4 power windows. So that is great again. Now let's get into the car and show you some more information. सबसे पहले door third. Door third was really, really good. Now, understand one thing. At 60 lakh rupees, first things first, when you sit in this car, you do get a welcome and a goodbye seat, the electric seat. You do get memory function on this seat. By the way, most of the things are controlled on this particular 15.6-inch infotainment system. We will make a dedicated video for you on the infotainment system, which will come right after this particular video, not today, but in a couple of days, you'll get that video, which will talk in detail about what all you get in this infotainment system. Okay. Filhal, on first impressions, the seat cushioning is brilliant. The shoulder support is good. The side bolstering is excellent. I mean, the seats that they have used, the co-driver, driver, rear passenger, all these seats have been cushioned and designed so well that you do not feel any discomfort at all. And everybody talks about what is the thigh support, what is the headroom. So first of all, this is the headroom. Can you see how much headroom? जब मैं पीछे भी बैठा हुआ था तो मेरे को इससे ज्यादा हेडरूम मिला था. हेडरूम के मामले में कोई कमी नहीं है बॉस. एंड लुक एट द थाई सपोर्ट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? इट्स लेस? वेल वेट अ मिनट. इसको यहां दबाया. आजा भाई. किधर गया? ये देखो. And full thigh support. So you do get a thigh support extender over here in your electrically adjustable seats itself. Now that is fantastic. Now let's have a look at the steering. It is nice leather wrap. This is also leather. So but you get premium touch everywhere. I do not find any hard touch. No, nowhere hard touch. You do get a 10-inch MID. You do get a 15.6-inch infotainment system. जैसा मैंने बोला इसका dedicated video आ जाएगा. You do get a ventilated 50 watt का charger. So if you see, my phone is at 47. ये मैंने यहाँ रखा and इसने charging लेनी शुरू कर दी. Good thing is they have given this suede finish which will help the phone not slip and slide much. And you get 2 slots over here. This one is not your charger, only one. Plus the center console, you get a reverse neutral drive function. You get an electric parking brake and auto hold ka function over here. This is your some more functions. You do get volume rockers over here. You do get your region modes toggler over here and the mode togglers here. Start stop button over here. AC के touch function में आपको यहाँ पे off on. No, it's not touch by the way. It's push. So if you can see, I'm pushing it and it's actually working absolutely fine. So अगेन थम्स अप फॉर दैट. सो ऐसा कि नहीं कि आपका पूरा का पूरा जो सिस्टम है वो टच पे दे दिया है. कुछ एक फिजिकल बटन्स मिले हैं विच इज रियली रियली गुड. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द 360 डिग्री कैमरा विच आई पर्सनली फील इज ब्रिलियंट. अगर आप यहां पर देख सको तो मैं इमीडिएटली ये दिखाता हूं. लुक एट द टच रिस्पॉन्स मैन. इट्स सो फ्लूइडिक. Brilliant. Let's have a look at some more. Oh bhai saab. I hope it is visible for you. But yeah, just look at this 3D, 2D, all type of Ds. This is your front camera. This one is your rear camera. It is clear side cameras. Brilliant. And can you look at this? How well it is projecting. And talking about projecting, can you look at that? It has an augmented reality ka feature. So good thing is it also gets a sensor, a camera that identifies driver attention alert जिसको बोलते हैं. If you are even looking on your MID, it will alert you that look on the road because it has given you such a beautiful projectile HUD. Augmented reality बोल रहे हैं, मुझे नहीं पता कितना क्या है, but then again it's actually bright. It is visible clearly. You don't really have to look over here. I mean really when you need this, you need this. Otherwise there is no need. इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम के कंट्रोल राइट में मिल जाते हैं. ADAS लेवल 2 आता है, उसके हमें लेफ्ट में जो है कंट्रोल्स मिल जाते हैं. वाइपर्स लेफ्ट में, हेडलाइट्स राइट में. इट्स ऑल क्लियर. वॉल्यूम रॉकर्स के संग में हमें मिल जाते हैं. कुछ और टॉगलर्स मिल जाते हैं स्पीड अप डाउन फॉर द क्रूज. डी कट में स्टीयरिंग व्हील हमें मिलती है जो रीच एंड टेलीस्कोपिक, जो हाइट एंड टेलीस्कोपिक दोनों की दोनों है. Ventilated seat both for your co-driver and for your driver, which is again a big plus point in my opinion. You do get a decent, not very big, but you do get this suede finish में. So कोई भी अगर आप सामान अंदर रखोगे, generally क्या होता है, घड़ घुड़ की जो आवाज आती है, that rattling noise will be avoided and well thought. I mean, this is what we are talking about when you talk about luxury and premiumness. The design just doesn't stop here. They have taken care of the minute details as well. And just look at this, lovely. So I first thought it was a screen, so I was touch. It was not working. So this is just a design pattern. Looks very premium, along with this lovely DRLs कह रहे हैं, the ambient light, beautiful. There are some 100 and some colors, which is okay. I mean, अपने आप ही होता रहता है, and it is rhythmic also, so it's all good. Let me think. Am I missing anything? Of course. So it is auto dimming IRVM, which is frameless. That's good. You do get this amazing moon roof, a fixed glass roof, which is again great. Some touch lights over here, which is fantastic. Do you get nothing? No glass holders over here. Plus you get some vanity mirrors over here. ये प्लास्टिक चढ़ाई हुई है इसलिए मैं दिखा नहीं पा रहा हूँ, but one on the driver side as well. So yeah, that was that. ओके, सो ये तो था इंटीरियर्स, डिजाइन एंड एवरीथिंग गाइज. अगेन अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज वॉच इट फुल, या तो स्पीड बढ़ा के देख लो बट पूरा देखो. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन दिस कार. एंड उसके पहले मैं एसी को ऑन कर देता हूं. सो गाइज, one thing that I missed covering, so you can see me sitting in the passenger seat. Let me show you something. We forgot to speak about the AC. Okay, so this car has a dual zone climate control AC, and the ORVMs are also heated. So that's again a welcome feature. चलो थोड़ा सा नजर डालते हैं इसके 15.6 इंच स्क्रीन पर भी. आई मीन जस्ट टू शो यू हाउ फ्लूइडिक इट इज. सो लेट मी गो टू द होम. अच्छा, आई एम एट द होम. सो लॉक अनलॉक. अच्छा, ये यहाँ पे क्लिक करते हैं. You do get I don't know, this looks really good. The touch response and everything is good. Yeah, so it is really good, really fluidic. Let's go to some settings and you see this ADAS के functions are all over here. Energy क्या मिल रही है, नहीं मिल रही है, some vehicle information and all those things, services, everything very fluidic, very good. Now guys, let's talk about some important things now. First important thing, safety. You get a level 2 ADAS, 5 radars and कुछ 17 sensors and something in this car. Fantastic. 11 airbags. आपकी स्क्रीन के सामने में मैं सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूं, बट यू गेट 5 कैमराज, 360 डिग्री कैमरा, फ्रंट एंड रेयर कोलिजन के लिए अलग से रेडार दिया है. सो सेफ्टी के मामले में बहुत अच्छी है. अगर इसकी कोई रेटिंग है वो भी मैं स्क्रीन पे आपको दे रहा हूं. शायद से यूरो एंड कैप में 5 स्टार स्कोर करती है. स्टिल आई फ्लैश इट ऑन योर स्क्रीन अगर टेस्टेड है या नहीं. तो सेफ्टी के मामले में बहुत अच्छी है. बात करते हैं ऑडियो की. सो इट गेट्स 12 स्पीकर का सेटअप विद 2 सबवूफर्स, 4 ट्वीटर्स एंड 6 स्पीकर्स. इसका जब इंफोटेनमेंट की वीडियो बनाएंगे तब उसमें स्पीकर को भी आपके लिए जरूर से टेस्ट करेंगे. उसके लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन सो दैट गेट द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ दोस वीडियोस, राइट. सो सेफ्टी हो गई, ऑडियो हो गया. अब क्या? बैटरी ऑफ कोर्स, बैटरी. आई वाज जस्ट सेविंग द बेस्ट फॉर द लास्ट, द बैटरी एंड द परफॉर्मेंस. चलो अब उसकी बात करते हैं. कुछ स्क्रीन पे नजर डालते हैं सो दैट आपको भी विजिबली समझने में आसानी हो. सो बोथ द ट्रिम्स गेट the same battery pack of 82.56 kilowatt hour. Okay, for the performance variant they claim for the range to be 542 and this is your NEDC का range. NEDC क्या है? NEDC मतलब यूरोपियन लेवल का कुछ है, मैं फुल फॉर्म दे रहा हूं. वो रियलिस्टिक रेंज होता है, अनलाइक द ARAI. ARAI मतलब जो टेस्टेड रेंज जो होती है वो जनरली रियलिस्टिक नहीं होती. बट 542 बोल रहे हैं. मैं बोलता हूं इतनी पावरफुल गाड़ी अगर इसके परफॉर्मेंस को एंजॉय करोगे, 400 प्लस भी अगर देती है तो हैट्स ऑफ होगा मेरे तरफ से. एंड इसका जो प्रीमियम है, जो रेयर व्हील ड्राइव है, वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 567 और समथिंग जो है वो NEDC का उसका क्लेम रेंज है. गुड थिंग अबाउट द बैटरी ऑफ BYD इज द ब्लेड बैटरी, द बेस्ट. एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू use that battery but only few can afford it, right? Because it's expensive and everybody is trying for other things as well. But the battery, good thing is this car is capable of charging with 11 kilowatt hour 11 kilowatt AC charger, but you only get the 7.4 with this car. 11 kilowatt you have to buy it from a third party vendor. Also the 3.3 kilowatt ka portable charger you have to buy from an external vendor. Company will only give you the 7.4 kilowatt ka wall mount charger but capable of 11 kilowatt. DC charging 150 kilowatt capable. Big thumbs up for that. उससे ज्यादा की मुझे नहीं पता जरूरत है कि नहीं है, but capable तो रखती है. So that ways it's good. And last but not the least, performance. I don't know how to express. We will be doing a drive test, a range test on this car very soon. I'll get that video out for you. But on papers, 690 Nm torque, 523 bhp power, 2 motors, one in the rear, one in the front. Front wheel में जो motor जो होगा, the motor which is connected to the front wheel is capable of giving you 160 kilowatt power and the rear one 230. All in all 390 kilowatt hours की power ये car generate करती है in all 4 wheels. Can you imagine the G-force that you're gonna feel in this car? I can't wait to drive this car. And thank you once again Karni BYD for as always being so graceful. Thank you Shomojit, my friend, for trusting me that I will bring out the best and the correct, accurate information. लेना नहीं लेना आपकी choice है, guys. Again, as I said, the closest competitors to this car, in my opinion, are many. iX1, okay, वो सबसे close है. Then your XC40, the C40, Ioniq 5, EV6, then your EQA. So competition में बहुत है. And again, if you're confused, don't be. Trust me. Book a consultation with me. The link is there in the description. Give me the opportunity to help you, nudge you in the right direction, give you the details that you may not know, and the insight and the perspective that you might need, help you make the right decision. So do think about it. And as I said, the link is there in the description, or you can contact me on the number which is also there in the description. I don't know if I have missed anything, but जब ड्राइव रिव्यू करेंगे उसको डेफिनेटली कवर कर लेंगे. फिलहाल इस वीडियो को यहीं स्टॉप करते हैं, बहुत लंबी हो गई होगी. सो टिल देन, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस, सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. लव यू गाइस.